The video guide is about removing the ransomware called Kqgs. This particular ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files considerably. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any essential complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, due to certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system, this Kqgs ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then pretty soon you will realize that something bad has happened with your files and that you cannot access your files anymore. Typically, you notice such alterations after you restart your computer. So you may notice that the files are damaged and encrypted, and you cannot open the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them, so you cannot open the files anymore. The ransomware adds this special Kqgs extension to the files. It also tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. We recommend you to go to the task manager of your computer, look for suspicious processes with long random names, right-click on them and end their task, and this will help you stop the further file encryption. To remove this particular ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then begin researching your system by clicking on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. The software will begin researching your device, and it will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. While the scan is taking place, pay attention to the anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner. This is an excellent feature that allows you to add certain folders on your computer that will always be under the protection by Combo Cleaner Premium license. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this particular ransomware called Kqgs, and it will help you to remove it effectively and to protect your data in the future. For this purpose, to remove the malware completely and to remove the ransomware completely, we recommend you to upgrade to premium license. This is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure.